Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 3. And we turned, then we went up the way to Bashan. Moreover, Og, the king of Bashan, came out against us, he and all his people, to battle at ATTRIBUTIONS. And Yahuwah said to me, Do not fear him, for I will deliver him and all his people, and his land into your hand. And you will do unto him like you did to Sihon, king of the Amori, who dwelt at Heshbon. Thus Yahuwah your Elohim delivered Og the king of Bashan, also all his people into your hand, and we attacked him until only a remnant of him survived. And we took all his cities at that time. There was not a city which we did not take from them, 60 cities, the entire region of Argob, the kingdom of Og, in Bashan. All these cities were fenced with high walls, gates, and bars, besides a great number of walled towns. And we utterly destroyed them, as we did to Sihon, king of Heshbon, utterly destroying the men, women, and children of every city. But all the cattle and all the spoil of the cities we took for a prey unto ourselves. Also, at the time we took from the land of the 2 kings of the Amori, the land that was on this side of the Yarden, from the river of Arnon to Mount Hermon. The Sidonim call Hermon Shiryun. However, the Amori call it Shenir. Of all the cities of the plain, and all Gilead, and all Bashan, to Selka and Aidrei, cities of the kingdom of Og in Bashan. For only Og, king of Bashan, remained of the remnant of giants. Behold, his bed was an iron bed. Why is it not in Rabbath with the children of Ammon? Its length was 9 cubits, and its width was 4 cubits, after the cubit of a man. Moreover, at the time, the land that was possessed was from Ar-Air, which is by the Arnon river, and half of Mount Gilead. Therefore I gave its cities to the Reubeni and to the Gadi. However, the rest of Gilead and all of Bashan, the kingdom of Og, I gave to half the tribe of Manasseh, the entire region of Argob, with all of Bashan, which was called the land of the giants. Yair, the son of Manasseh, took the entire country of Argob, to the borders of Gesheri and Ma'akati. Then he called them after his own name, fruitful towns of Yair, to this day. Also I gave Gilead to Makir, but to the Reubeni and to the Gadi I gave from Gilead up to the Arnon river, half the valley, and the border until the Yabuk river, the border of the children of Ammon, also the plain of the Yarden, and its border from Kinneret until the sea of the plain, until the salt sea, beneath the slopes of Pisgah, eastward. And at the time I commanded you, saying, Yahuwah your Elohim has given you this land to possess it. You will pass over armed before your brethren, the children of Yeshariel, all the sons of war. However, your wives and your little ones and your cattle, I know that you have many cattle, will abide in your cities, which I have given you, until Yahuwah has given rest to your brethren, and they possess the land which Yahuwah your Elohim has given them, beyond the Yarden also, like you. Then you will return each man to his possession, which I have given you. Also at that time I commanded Yehoshua, saying, Your eyes have seen all that Yahweh your Elohim has done to these two kings. So too Yahweh will do to all the kingdoms that you pass. You will not fear them, for Yahweh your Elohim, he will fight for you. Moreover, at the time, I besought Yahweh, saying, Adonai, Yahweh, you have begun to show your servant your greatness and your mighty hand. For what all is in the heavens or in the earth, who can do according to your works and according to your might? I pray you, let me go over and see the good land that is beyond the Yarden, that goodly mountain, and Lebanon. But Yahweh was wroth with me for your sakes, and would not hearken unto me. Therefore Yahweh said to me, Let this suffice you. Speak no more to me of this matter. Get yourself up into the top of Pisgah, and lift up your eyes westward, and northward, and southward, and eastward, and behold it with your eyes, for you will not go over the Yarden. Rather, commission Yehoshua, and encourage him, and strengthen him, for he will go over before these people, and he will cause them to inherit the land which you will see. Therefore we abode in the valley in front of Beit Paor.